Good evening, all my science students. This is second video before your board chemistry paper. In the first video, I have discussed six physical chemistry topic and one inorganic chemistry topic. Now in this video, we will discuss one inorganic topic, that is coordination compound, and there are other topics which belongs to organic chemistry. There is one topic which comes under biochemistry, that is biomolecules, and last one is, that is last two topics which are the applications of chemistry or the applied chemistry. One is polymer, another one is green chemistry and nanotechnology. Now under coordination chemistry, when you are preparing this topic, you have to prepare thoroughly for the IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compound. Again, here my prediction is one compound will be given in the paper and you have to write an IUPAC name of that compound, or the other thing is the IUPAC name will be given to you and you have to write down the formula of that coordination compound. Now in this topic there are various definitions are there. Definition like homoleptic complexes, heteroleptic complex, coordination number, then applications of coordination compounds in medicine. Apart from this, for 3 marks you can focus on bonding in coordination compound like COF6 3-. This is one of the compound which is given under the textbook. You can focus on this compound, or the compound like NiCN4 2-. This coordination compounds are there. You have to explain the bonding in such a type of complexes where you need to explain the answer stepwise by writing the hybridization, then the geometry, electronic configuration step by step. So these questions can come in the exam for 3 marks. Other thing is, there is one concept, that is effective atomic number. So the one or two compounds will be given to you, coordination compound or the complex will be given to you, and you have to find out the effective atomic number. Guys, this is very, very important. Either finding out the effective atomic number, this question will be there in your paper, or there is another possibility from the next topic, that is the topic which is transition elements and inner transition element. From that topic there is a one concept of magnetic moment. So there the atomic number will be given to you and the elements will be also given in the problem, and you have to find out the magnetic moment from the number of unpaired electrons. So either effective atomic number from topic coordination compound or finding out magnetic moment. This any one question will be there in your paper. Now this is for coordination compound. Now let us talk about transition and inner transition elements. Transition and inner transition elements, the main thing which comes in my mind is distinguish between lanthanides and actinides. One of the important question. Then another question is, what are transuranic elements? What are transuranic element? Then another one is, what is lanthanide contraction? Then again from this topic, either one or two elements will be given. The important one is cerium, promethium. These are the important from my point of view. So cerium or promethium will be given to you, atomic number will be provided, and you have to write down the electronic configuration. Then why do lanthanide forms colored compound? Okay, so lanthanide contraction, actinide contraction, these are some important questions based on transition and inner transition element. Then also learn the general electronic configuration of transition element and general electronic configuration of inner transition element. What are post-actinoid elements? This is also one question along with the transuranic element. So what are transuranic element and what are post-actinoid elements? These two questions you guys have to learn for 1 mark. Then again there are a number of reactions are given in this topic. So I'm not predicting any reaction. This is just the prediction is regarding the theory part in this topic. All inorganic reactions, whatever you guys have done throughout the year, whatever you guys have practiced it, based on that, please try to write down the answer in the exam. Now come to the next topic. I'll discuss organic later on. First we'll go to the topic which belongs to biochemistry, that is biomolecule. Now when it comes to biomolecule, generally students think ki biomolecule topic, the structures, such a huge structures are there and very complicated structures are there. But what my prediction is, when you're preparing topic biomolecule, please give, or you can focus fully on carbohydrates. Preparation of carbohydrates from glucose and starch. Then there are chemical properties of glucose are given. Now what is my prediction is, in this year's paper there will be a 2 reaction of chemical properties will be there in the paper based on the glucose. So one is acidic anhydride and the another one is hydroxylamine or hydroiodic acid. Action of hydroxylamine, hydroiodic acid, that is hot HI, or acidic anhydride. From these 3, any 2 reactions will be there in your paper. Other thing is, when you are preparing the classification of carbohydrate, remember all the examples of monosaccharide, disaccharide, then tri, tetra and polysaccharides. Because such examples, there is a possibility under MCQs, they can ask such a type of questions. And when it comes to drawing and complicated structures, please practice alpha D-glucopyranose and beta D-glucopyranose. Haworth projection formula of alpha D-glucopyranose and beta D-glucopyranose. Then also practice the structure of deoxyribose and beta D-ribose. Then which bases, nitrogenous bases are present in DNA and RNA, 1 mark questions. What are nucleoside, what are nucleotide? Explain denaturation of proteins. How is peptide linkage formed? Then distinguish between fibrous proteins and globular protein. Definition of amino acid, definition of protein. Then simple structure like structure of glycine, structure of alanine. So these are the important questions from the topic biomolecules. Please don't focus too much on the structures of disaccharides and polysaccharide, even on the structure of DNA and RNA. As I said, under DNA and RNA you guys can learn simply which nitrogenous bases, which carbohydrate, that is which pentose sugar is present in DNA and RNA. Even there is no need to practice all the structures like DNA, RNA and cellulose, then another structure like maltose, sucrose and all, because there is a less chance that the question will be there on such a topic. See, because you have only 1 day holiday and in that 1 day you have to prepare physical chemistry, organic and inorganic. So this is just a prediction from my side. Whichever question I am giving in biomolecule, please try to go through at least last minute, that is 1 day prior to an exam. Please go through this type of questions. Then the last two topic, one is polymer and another one that is green chemistry and nanotechnology. Now under polymers, my prediction is polymer like terylene, PHBV, Teflon, nylon 6. This is what my prediction is from this. Any 1 or 2 polymers will be there in your paper. Learn all the examples of polymer because the question may come in the format, classify the following polymers into straight chain, branch chain or a cross-link polymer. Then another one is distinguish between thermosetting and thermoplastic polymer. What are biodegradable polymer? Definition of biodegradable polymer. Then prepare a reaction for preparation of Buna-S and neoprene. Or you may get the question, draw the structures of monomer used in the preparation of Buna-S. Draw the structure of monomer used in the preparation of Bakelite. So these are all important questions for topic polymer. Next topic is, that is green chemistry and nanotechnology. Now under green chemistry and nanotechnology, I'll suggest everyone please go through all the headings of principles of green chemistry. Okay, the number of principles of green chemistries are given, 12 principles of green chemistries are given in the textbook. Please go through all the headings, and any 2 or 3 principles will be there in your paper, or there will be applications of nanotechnology, its advantages and disadvantages. Then the other one is there are certain instruments which are there, XRD, then FTIR. These are the names of the instrument. Please go through all the full forms. Then 1 mark question like which isomer of benzene hexachloride is used as an insecticide. One of the common question. The answer is linden or a gamexane. This is from the, even it is there in the 11th standard. Then which flower is an example of self-cleaning? Lotus is an example of self-cleaning. Then which material is used in the tire? The tire for the to increase the strength of the tire. The material that is used is carbon black is used in the tire. So these are what 1 mark questions. Then what is used or the composition in the sunscreen lotion? Okay, which nanomaterial is used in the sunscreen lotion? So these are all important questions of nanochemistry, definition of nanochemistry, nanoscience. Okay, this is all about the last topic. Now let us come to the organic chemistry. Under organic chemistry, starting from the topic halogen derivatives, next alcohol phenol ethers, then aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid, and another topic that is amines. Now from this 4 topic, you may get one structure will be given to you and you have to write down the IUPAC name, or the name will be given to you, common name or an IUPAC name, and you have to write down the structure. Now in organic chemistry, focus on the name reactions, particularly Finkelstein reaction, Schwartz reaction, Sandmeier's reaction, aldol condensation, Cannizzaro reaction, Rimmer-Dimon reaction, Kolb's reaction, Gattermann-Koch synthesis. The other one is Etard reaction. These are certain reactions. Gabriel thalamide synthesis, Hofmann bromamide degradation. These are important name reactions. Please practice all these name reactions which I have said. From this, 2 reactions will be there. 2 name reactions in the form of write a short note will be given in your paper. Then another thing, in organic chemistry, you get the question for 3 marks, complete the following reactions. Now for complete the following reaction, generally question comes from the topic aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. So when you are preparing aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid, prepare all the reactions of acetaldehyde and acetone. Reactions like hydrogen cyanide, sodium bisulfite, then reaction with Grignard reagent. In organic chemistry, one reaction of Grignard reagent will be 101% in the paper. So reaction of Grignard reagent with formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and with acetone. These 3 reactions are must. Formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetone. So take different Grignard reagent and practice 5 to 6 reactions of Grignard reagent. Even the Grignard reagent reacts with dry ice. This is also one of the important reactions for the preparation of carboxylic acid. Then the reagent like lithium aluminium hydride, sodium borohydride, then Dibal H, diisobutyl aluminium hydride. Such a type of reactions will be also there in your paper for 1 mark. Then under organic chemistry, you can also go through the classification part. Classification of ether, classification of ketone, then classification of carboxylic acids. These are certain classifications which are also important. Now when you are preparing for physical properties of this topic which are there in organic chemistry, based on the physical property, generally the question will be in the form of MCQ. that MCQ will be just like based on the concept of either the solubility or the boiling point. So please go through all the solubility concept and the boiling point. Go through all the reactivity order which are given in these 4 topics. Then in case of an topic amines and carboxylic acid, in case of an amines and carboxylic acid, one cannot keep the strength of carboxylic acid, that is acidity of carboxylic acid, and basicity of amines for an option. These 2 things please prepare thoroughly. One is acidity of carboxylic acid, basicity of amines. So either there will be a question directly explain basicity of amine, or in the form of an MCQs, the question will be which of the following is the strongest base, which of the following is the strongest acid, or in case of an carboxylic acid, the MCQs will be which of the following is the strongest acid, which of the following is a weak acid. So based on these 2 concepts, acidity and basicity, 101% there will be a question in the paper. As I said, write a short note, few more reaction like Wurtz synthesis, Wurtz-Fittig reaction, then even Gabriel Thalamide synthesis. These are also important for an exam point of view. And in organic chemistry, uses of compounds like freon, structure of DDT, and I remember in coordination compound structure of EDTA, and uses of chloroform. Please learn these important questions. I'm not going to take too much time because already the video is of 15 to 20 minutes. Wishing everyone best of luck for the paper. Again, I'm saying the same thing. This is just a prediction. Maybe few questions will be in the paper, or if your luck is there, the maximum questions will be in the paper. Best of luck to each and everyone. Do well in the paper. Bye bye guys.